With just a 25-liter container, a few small metal rods, and a bit of natural organic fertilizer, I've grown an incredibly fruitful chayote vine right at home. It's amazing how simple materials can be turned into a productive and refreshing green garden like this. Growing chayote at home is not difficult at all. With the right planting and care, you can have a super productive chayote vine right in your own backyard. Follow me to learn how to grow and care for your plants the easy and effective way. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. I choose a mature chayote fruit for propagation. First, I mix germination stimulant powder with water, then soak the chayote fruit to encourage faster and stronger sprouting. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. I cut a large square hole in the center of a 25-liter container to create space for adding soil and planting. This allows the plant more room to grow, helps the roots spread easily, and improves nutrient absorption. Now I'll use a hole punch tool to make small holes around the container, allowing better airflow once the soil is added. These holes help improve drainage and prevent waterlogging, allowing the roots to grow stronger and absorb nutrients more effectively. I mix worm compost with the soil before planting to help the plants grow stronger. Worm compost adds natural nutrients, keeps the soil loose, promotes healthy root growth, and improves nutrient absorption. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. After a few days of germination, the chayote has sprouted and grown into a healthy young plant. I transplanted into a 25-liter container that's already filled with soil, giving it plenty of space for root growth and better nutrient absorption. After planting, I water the soil to keep it moist, helping the plant absorb nutrients and grow well. Proper moisture allows the roots to establish quickly, helping the plant settle and start growing stronger. Now that the plant is rooted and started growing vigorously, I'll use small metal rods to build a trellis for it to climb. The trellis helps the plant grow upright, get more sunlight and airflow, and develop faster with a higher yield. To prevent soil compaction, I gently loosen the top layer of soil to make it more airy. This helps the roots breathe better and absorb water and nutrients more effectively, allowing the plant to grow faster and healthier every day. I bury fish at the base of the plant, and as it decomposes, it produces a natural, organic fertilizer rich in nutrients. The decomposed fish provides nitrogen, calcium, and minerals that strengthen the roots, thicken the leaves, and help the plant bloom and bear more fruit. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Plants always need a certain level of moisture, so I water them regularly to keep them healthy and growing steadily. Consistent watering prevents the soil from drying out, helps the roots absorb nutrients better, and keeps the plants fresh and vibrant. At this stage, the plant is climbing rapidly, so I use cable ties to secure the stems to the trellis, keeping the vines within the designated growing area. This helps the plant grow upright, get enough sunlight and ventilation, and ultimately produce a higher yield. I add worm compost around the base to provide extra nutrients and help the plant grow stronger. Worm compost is rich in beneficial microorganisms, minerals, and organic matter, keeping the soil loose, strengthening the roots, and promoting lush, healthy growth. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. I add more soil around the base to help the plant stay firm and retain moisture for the roots. The new layer of soil also protects young roots, adds nutrients, and helps the plant grow stronger and greener each day. After adding soil around the base, I water it to keep the soil moist and help the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. Proper moisture allows the plant to grow steadily with greener leaves and stronger, wider roots. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. At this stage, the plant is flowering and setting fruit, making it vulnerable to pests and fungi. To prevent this, I chop garlic, mix it with water, and spray it on the plants. Garlic acts as a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent, helping repel pests, prevent mold, and boost the plant's immunity, keeping it healthy without chemical pesticides. It's amazing! With such a simple home-growing method, I've managed to grow a lush chayote vine full of fruit, vibrant and full of life. Seeing this result truly makes me happy and proud. If you find this helpful and meaningful, give my method a try. You'll be amazed by the results. With just a bit of time and love for plants, you can create your own beautiful green garden right at home. Thank you for watching till the end. Your light keeps this little garden alive.